This strain sprayer applies to spraying garden and backyard, watering or irrigation crops, house cleansing and automobile washing, pet bathing. There are numerous items accessible to pump sprayers, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best pump sprayers from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Mr. Sprayer Full Function Atomizer and Pump Sprayer. Are you continue to endlessly squeezing that spray bottle and affected by drained and cramped fingers? Give these drained fingers a relaxation. All it takes is just a few pumps from the massive knob atop Mr. Sprayer to generate excessive strain. That means that you can shoot an exact and even stream of your favorite detailing chemical compounds. The absolutely adjustable nozzle reduces massive drops to a nice mist for even and environment-friendly protection with minimal product use. Merely prime the pump, regulate the nozzle from nice mist to jet stream, and get spraying to your quickest and best element ever. Number 2. VIVOSUN 0.2 gallon handheld garden pump sprayer. From direct jet to nice mist jet, you solely have to rotate the entrance a part of the nozzle. Ounce handheld pump sprayer designed for spraying crops, automobile cleansing and upkeep, pet bathing and extra indoor or out-of-doors cleansing options, particularly appropriate for indoor use. This product is examined to make sure security at water temperatures as much as 131 degF. The VIVOSUN pump sprayer is made from translucent materials, which lets you simply examine fluid ranges. Simple to read calibration scale on the aspect precisely grasps the proportions when mixing liquid. The water spray bottle is made from improved PP thickened materials to enhance its sturdiness. Lengthened straws enable extra backside liquid to be sucked up, specializing in capability whereas lowering waste. Snug pump makes boosting velocity quicker and mainly easy. The sprayer's thickened backside considerably improves its sturdiness and stability. We promise to unravel any drawback and reply any query as rapidly as we will. Number 3. A TISLL manual garden sprayer. When the strain exceeds 2-3 bar, the protection valve mechanically releases the strain. Adjustable from water jet to nice mist jet. Tips: this garden sprayer isn't appropriate for corrosive or acidic options. We offer extra sealing elements to increase the service lifetime of the sprayer. If any high-quality drawback happens inside one, please contact ITISLL without spending a dime. Alternative or unconditional refund. This strain sprayer applies to spraying garden and backyard, watering or irrigation crops, house cleansing and automobile washing, pet bathing. Every watering can has handed the manufacturing unit water strain check. After the check, there might be a small quantity of water droplets in it to maintain the watering can's moist equipment and lengthen the lifetime of the watering can. Be aware, urgent tighten the bottleneck earlier than utilizing the fuel. Number 4. Monionio Garden Pump Sprayer. The backyard sprayer is supplied with a security valve, which mechanically releases the surplus strain when it exceeds 2.5-3 bar. It could actually delay the service lifetime of the sprayer bottle. We offer 1-year guarantee for this pump strain sprayer. We promise to repair any drawback and reply to your questions as fast as we will. We have now unmatched buyer file. We're at all times obtainable to help our prospects. This handheld pump sprayer can be utilized for irrigation crops, fertilizing, pet bathing, house cleansing, and automobile washing. Consideration: corrosive or acidic options can't be used. The prime quality brass nozzle isn't simple to break and rust. The brass nozzle can regulate the depth of the water, from direct injection to nice mist spray. The sprayer is made from high-quality PE materials. The translucent water tank can clearly present the remaining water quantity within the pot and replenish the liquid in time. And the tank is supplied with a filter to realize non-clogging spraying. Number 5. Garden Sprayer. 2 liters handheld backyard pump strain sprayer is highly effective sufficient. The last word gardening device for indoor and out-of-doors use. The water output is managed by adjusting the water outlet of the sprayer, which is appropriate for garden backyard use and indoor use. It additionally consists of automobile cleansing, irrigation crops, pet cooling, courtyard and hume cleansing. The strain sprayer is supplied with an automated security reduction valve to mechanically releases the surplus strain, which management water strain and delay the service lifetime of the sprayer bottle. Reduce consumer fatigue when working tools. The handbook strain sprayer is professionally manufactured with a robust plastic construction and is made from high-quality APE and PP supplies to offer long-term energy and use. The ergonomic non-slip deal with makes it easy to make use of. The translucent water tank can clearly present the remaining water quantity within the pot and replenish the liquid in time, which is handy so that you can observe and add water when you might want to sprinkle for a very long time. Push the cot machine on the urgent deal with a head to alleviate the fatigue of your thumb. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.